Over the last couple of years, most of us have felt at the least a slight tug of the rug out from underneath us, and not every response has been the same. Some people have dramatized it, some people have really nailed being calm and centered in the face of adversity, and some people are still working out what clothes to wear. Perhaps it's the loss of loved ones or their health, jobs, businesses, financial security. Perhaps it's a sense of losing freedoms and hope for the future. And for some people, it's all of this, and yet there's a sense of optimism and positivity in the knowing that we will thrive and be stronger in the face of adversity. Have you ever wondered what the difference is between people who remain cool and calm in the face of disaster while others come undone at the slightest hint? People who remain cool have what psychologists call resilience. And I look forward to sharing with you some tools that we can put in our toolbox to help us with resilience.